Welcome to the CiaoAI Centralized Quant Trading Bot Operation Demo video. CiaoAI Quant Trading bots are categorized into common bots and strategy bots. Common bots are for volume and depth, while strategy bots handle pricing strategies. Risk warning: if only the common bots are activated, there is a risk of the market controlling the price, leading to arbitrage and potential losses. It is recommended to use strategy bots to implement active price strategies. In this video, we will guide you through the process of configuring the brush function in the common bots, which is for volume making. The brush function includes minimum maintenance brush, random brush, natural brush, stable brush, and range brush. Minimum maintenance brush maintains basic trading and candlestick with smaller order sizes and lower frequency. The price for random brush is totally random between the bid 1 and ask 1 prices on the order book. For natural brush, the price follows the natural fluctuations between the bid 1 and ask 1 on the order book, generating a price curve that closely aligns with normal market behavior. The candlestick chart for stable brush shows a fluctuation of a sine function. For range brush, the price is a totally random value within the set range. If you need to control the price range more precisely, it's recommended to use the range oscillation bot in the strategic bots. In general, it is recommended to use natural brush. Next, let's dive into the parameter settings. Order size. The size of per order unit is token. For example, entering 1 and 5 will generate order sizes between 1 and 5 tokens. Note, order size must be bigger than the min order size limit of exchanges, normally 5 or 10 USDT. Price range. The price range bot will try to trade in. For example, if you set range 1.1 to 2.2, the trading orders will be randomly selected within the range of 1.1 to 2.2. Interval. Time interval between trades. Set a range and bot will make trading more randomly and naturally. To set a fixed 10-second interval, simply enter 10 for both. Order type. Default to random. Choosing by first prioritizes by orders, while sell first prioritizes sell orders. Price mode. Price mode offers two options, normal mode and safe mode. It is recommended to use safe mode for most cases. Safe mode, only trade between bid 1 and ask 1 prices, avoid trading with existing bid 1 and ask 1 orders. With safe mode on, bot will stuck if there is no price levels between bid 1 and ask 1. For example, if the highest bid is 1.1 and the lowest ask is 1.2, with no other price levels in between, safe mode can't put orders. If the highest bid is 1.1 and the lowest ask is 1.4, with price levels at 1.2 and 1.3 in between, bot will trade between 1.2 and 1.3. Normal mode. Compared with safe mode, the normal mode won't avoid trading with existing bid 1 and ask 1 orders. Launch mode. To immediately start the bot, simply click the Run button in immediate start mode. For scheduled start, you can set the date and specific time for activation, accurate to the second. Please note that the time zone set here is UTC+8. When scheduling a start, the bot must also be turned on. Amount distribution type. Continuous, size of consecutive orders will be closer. Random, size of consecutive orders will be totally random in the range.